this time move no move esa say Sallyman kokosu e wo TikTok live so na him say Sallyman one person bia ene ne legal wife sensem on fe ni agro kra ba bia behu Sallyman bia ene wunya pae no pe ene team legal wife no dey so we move team legal wives we move team legal wives almost we move edu ba bia no me dey empire atato we pray we fast we move na me no ka say Akosua se wan sensem ya legal wife hu sensem Odo Bronii sensem ya ena Sallyman ekopie mu e wo chese Ashanti Queen life so na abusua say yede yehu ya Sallyman ena ero ni so ya we move no he said ye akoda ni osun ye bi say Bible mu de eho ena John 11:35 ye say Jesus wept na we de John 11:62 Sallyman wept enya sem keto abusua legal wife say emu ayeden Odo Bronii ekoso pains Odo Bronii ekoso ham enya sem keto yenkwai na yenko se de community tie na eno nam so ema Sallyman ene we move edane we cry
inteno medamu asepa say Maame asem iba ya etumi a project me in a different light amenkofo ehu me say menye sa evil person that people actually thought say I was no nti na me face me ya mama Maame Akosua Serwaa mana me ya mama me ho ankasa eventually nti medamu asepa
Wow.
Chavo.
Yes, mommy. AbusuapaniN Nyina meje team legal wife for any Maame Akosua Serwaa na mu. Ada ye nwa ba ya de nyina ya ho ofe. Sally, ye beda wase papa se eto nsa efe wo ba ye. Na adwuma na watusu no eya adwuma so no. Ene bi obi abe na agi so obebo obi because ade a sade wo ho no obi abe pe bi so obetwa bi. No kre ena wo fighting. Etin mesrew. De bebe bia no satemidie. We ya bebe bia no akasai. Kwodi ewuofuo no. Kwodi ewuo ampani payefuo no. Abaifuo no side chefuo na edidi nkwofo kwatefuo no. Wo monto wo ho ase. Wo be wo se bi mebe fa picture. Ena wo be ka say mawe mo. Wa me ka mo ho nso monto wo ase. E wo ho abotugu. Wo ho abotugu. Wo ho me se botugu. Wa ho fenti no eye nkwofo ya. What say ma ye ma 1081 ma what's na pempem etu hu amesra wo me se botugu me da se se etu nsafre wo ba ye nim se da ne da ye bo pruma ye no na ebe ye adwuma ye da se ma me thank you bye bye kuna se minim de mitimi ye abonsamfo minim Oprega menyo hwemenim Oprega hwemenim hwe Oprega menyo oh meni aye kokko onz mesu hwemeni Oprega hwemeni unti o hwemeni unti asmeni damojam hwemenim menyo hwemeni onz aye kokko unti wan mesu nesu bi egu fom bia no esu bi me say esu bi egu fom bia no osoro bekasa menyo hwemeni menye hadai what say yesetama onyankopon ene obonsam okuo no wodi aprapre ekwa botantu obonsam se wo pa fa ayiwei hwan otamte nyankopon pa fa abodo wei efa ye hwan bible say there bi enye pa no ene nsankwa na ebedi ada wo waye bonefo na wo tamte nipa twani pani kamani adai ade na wo die ade na wo di wasas kan ye fa mawo ya brawo adai ya to bonefo ya beto asase so na otiti nipa adai ja wo ba me peso Oprega ade na wo ba me peso na betiti nipa adai akame hu ye ya santo mo peso na kwa ba no betete wo mo when there be ye generation na so ne ebedi akon tete ato afiso abasase so hu da to afiso e mo abasase so betete ye adai na baba wai sa nya mo wanwa ade na wo die ade Again, a wood ye. Yet if you send your man now, Crabbe Jaho. What be my meeting? And what be an identity? Every any canoe, every any quate. As will be the properties. Nentadia sending now where we are. I will can't tell you. What's a me come? Who does that? You are Abusuapaniin. Monkasanam de many abrene. Atay. Tell would ye? What prinya your name, Maame Akosua se what prinya yen. What wager ho? Bebe na ye benja ho. Adia. Adia so Maame Kwampano. What me wenya wo me ho. What me wenya wo mo ho. Maame be chama na so me so. Because Maame ne de wa de ya. Then Lumba kofa baba. And a part of Maame Akosua se wa life mu. What say there be? Medie. What to bako? Miss me to bako. What to me and miss me to me. Now why am I di? Hey, two. I got a dear di. Two sika. What be Domina must say Maame Akosua se wa two. So I two me magia tum. What be a two ni chamusika fa mauni. Ni chamusika. Ya fa mauni. Oprega. Ni chamusika ya fa mau. Ya fa mau. Free so kwai. Na be ni pa won to no. Me dey sana mapon me mani abrene. Ababa wa na ma mewra ho. Once mani aye kokko. Mewra ho pa o. Na wo bi ma me tie won no tini. Ana da ho no. Eji mame ababa wa introduce no ho say oboni di tell. So ye da digiri oboni di tell.
Lumba ire. Wan body di ankyere me.
Hey, asemu sisi o.
Wan body di.
Etin me pacho. Wa money di answer wo no. I sat another Lumba so no aye no yie wode na no ye no yie e do mfuo. Because me te say yes no nenam e na oka che nkofo so ye Maame Akosua se we even we wi Maame Akosua se we din. Na even crampo no. Na ye sister ba ko bi so wo industry ni mu. Se wa me here mu crampo ni mu se wono ne efre no Akosua se wa. You know mo fi se Maame Akosua
Serwaa ye interview no can say yes all this one ya unim se Lumba ire ni Akosua Serwaa. And just like Abia I'm thinking say just like me dream say ono ne Madam Akosua Serwaa and I'm sure say Abia Serwaa so dream say ono na Maame Akosua Serwaa.
Hey.
Enti daddy wu ye no wo dey just imagine say me did that the akasa Thursday na me call the whole Tuesday na and the kwa na me won hwemu ase by the way me Jehovah's Witness ni enti me ko hwemu one day convention ti me tena hwemu na sia na me titi news ni say Lumba in fact ha me pa wo dey just imagine say o de me kasa about 3 days ago ya inu wawu ha me pa enti me ba ye no na me frɛ number no a ɔmo de frɛ me no a na me hu sɛ asɛnko ti me a me hu sɛ ni bra banti na ebia wonye dey ɔmfa enti daddy wu Saturday na ne Thursday me coffee ho kra akɔkyea no ɛgya sɛ me nim sɛ ɔyɛ Lumba ire ti me coffee ho kɔkyea
na wo kɔ ye no what say say wo mo se de na ye no ana no obi anu okan
manti bi sɛ sata na report bi a hyɛ da mai bia sɛ bibi sa no me call ya me call her again no hu me no say Sally daddy o crowd odo kasa o crowd o say Sunday na wo hu nkrofo ano o ye no wo sa o crowd na me so an cram in fact me hu ne sa na me ra ho papa nti me sun kra me sun pa
ba wo de wo sisu dia say ni 3 days na daddy no kasa ya wo no nyare na no ho din se bon grace aboba Because almost by 20-25 minutes, yes. Abusuapaniin mama to me. Na me ba to obi babu sase. Obi ada Lumba no kata no. A wo ni mo no ababa wa yakasa. E de na wa wo hwese bibia ntwaye. E de na wo ne se ntwaye wo Maame Akosua se wo fa ne out no. E de ne si ye. Wo fa ne out say wa prega nya de we a wo si dwene na ababa wa nya de wo dwene no. E de be na si ye. E wa adwene mu.
Me 1 week in beba no a me hu eye Maame Akosua Serwaa na me hu ne first e wo internet ne so say yes Lumba first wife aba ana me say Lumba first wife ti be friend madam for be say You see Lumba first wife, but any Madame Fuya Waya. Sana me kind. No, say, Mammy, we are Wabano. Akosua say, one of Madame for the side make us say, oh, any Lumba de Opa, Akosua say, what for pa, because on Susu him say, a year president also the say, what I'm saying. Sadia and told me, so on also the say, why? I'm so okay. Any after the Matia said, you know, Mammy, buy your Mohagi, any idea, and I made a senator I was watching. Me share say the besi akosinti me na me feel say obi anim ni position say when him say be baby mama and when him say wayere no mo ate omo ho ase and omo haage it I was very fine with it till later me say I say was so pese onye kuna ni bi no what say amaame ne so ompene so obeye kuna no na nkofo twetwene ne ade o me wo few friends bi o mu ni say me de ne ye fine e wo industry we mu Anna, a friend say, Omo, a friend say, oh, Sally, now won't be my down free. Say, yeah, to say, radio presenters in a few friends to be frame. And I'm say, listen, me to me can't same will be until say, the young kono ebe the right thing. The right thing is say, oh, acknowledge say, Mameno and a year. So acknowledge pa, Mamaga, about the supporting. I catch you and say, Ghana phone jano nyu ono nko na aye bone what them person menche na asem ko nkofo bebre tina ho no omudi nkofo ko nti omunya ti that was how ananka by my say me ba be defending say she's done the right thing if she's done the right thing dear I didn't see that see a crucify no because queen yet na we are seeing nyina yi no ye nyina ye ya bone fo what you say but onyankopon ehu say obone na wa ye no wanu hu a ode chew it me dream say a friend say, well, like obey the right thing. No, I can say, be a oh, ebia mame, una ye penti be share say a prayer quite to the point to say, echo court na. Madam for this house, Priscilla to do the right thing. Or yeah, the right thing, I'll support it. It's one year the right thing, you know. And I'm a bar, every general radio, so catch and say, me say. My number cry after some makers will be deleted in a sense to say, maybe she thought what I say I was in a downfall. And I make her say right thing now one you need. If in there call me no me demand me nechi because we are minimum we are singing and Akosia Serwaa. Akosia Serwaa, Akosia Serwaa, Akosia Serwaa, Akosia Serwaa, Akosia Serwaa. It's here to me say obi the Priscilla. No baba bejima mini position. And I must me kita Bible. The Bible na me kita no. What's ya ware? Whether my friend is legally or traditionally, what's ya ware? Onyankopon emfiase no obo ba ne bema. So mo ya warefo. Into Okano Matthew chapter 19 say obema beja nebusuafo ho na obefo oba no ma bebom no ma ye honam baako. Wan ka se bi be kwa ware legally and not traditionally. What's ya ware? It's me who say and some kikana say. Yeah, worry. Okay, you are fool. Tell mommy to come and take him. But I'm sorry, me banner so I am fool. Sorry. Ain't me who say she's not doing the right thing, you know. Now a friend is saying one young to say be I'm from so a buy and I say be crying. Me cry that was I was saying. He said, Uncle, or you smart to cry, go and play the victim card. Sasa papa na yusu so on am person mention na na ke bia go dey atete no na ko looking good wo ma me nanim it went to me and na me ba abonte be ka share ne say because now a few people thought say one who say video na nante na to be feel say na me de ne fine it there was some distance me who free sa abone no what you say because me bone kura do dada me bone do so much na me sa de sa abone we asa be ka me no da bi nya sa ana me catch free na ekọ idie me jira Maame Akosua say we achi oh na me take a decision no
Mame me ba so asema wo ka ba kun say not even people around you know including your friends no one or two no mo kwan boni mo say ababawa no wo no ne Maame Akosua Serwaa ne din ye Maame Akosua Serwaa
Meme dear, she introduced herself to me, say Lumba. Hey, say Lumba. Akasa say, the Yeni Akosua say, when I'm a man could be the same part now did say. But what an impressive.
And to this, oh,
What I say? Later, me who say, Maame na ba wo airport. One 1990 why mobo. Me say Queen. Me to be share Maame pictures because I remember Maame so well. And what children of the future video. Mun kona mko sa video no. Na Lumba kita I want to call her. And Maame Akosua say was so emofra mienu. I share the shots. It is a picture and to be free me so that to be who Maame say. Ni state here any situation or woman no. Miss Papa. And I say dia na ba be friend attack I won say attack nipa enya no enye easy your phone so attack I'm telling you what I said the day me koka say boni aketia no bia benya aketia sada Bible ne ka e wo Proverbs chapter 1 verse 33 wo se ejanom boni bebo o mma so ti me ka say obia de obegu bia no obetwa no ko for friend yes friend me did not tem ana politician or baby no cross sending me message yes or sending me message but I have the message there. Who they met me there?
About me money diana.
Money din. Buy
so be a backro. Yes. No one threat to an answer. Lady NSEMSEM.
He actually thought say Priscilla was my friend. I know her. This why this time we na say me penasem na me pretending. No catch us, I'm not pretending. I want her to do the right thing. To want to be the right thing, I won't support because who did say, Maame Akosua Serwaa sem na ye. I spiritual. So Onyankopon pa enka ho a. Onyankopon ka ho a. Sa part ana woni akoma ye papa, won't to be join ye.
No correct.
To be join ye. It means tim nigga wives for nyina wa akoma pa. Ti Nyankopon hye o nyinara. Because I kumano in your papa. What you mean, Tenya may be a say? I a spiritual fight, I a spiritual say, but a Jobia or a godly or Jobio Sonia Coupon. What me a Jawari and Atum. Because say, Obia Wari will be 1991. Not say, who will say, Yawari 2010. She said 19 years, Awari and Wabe say no.
Oh, sister. Merawo. What do you say? What?
Maame Akosua Serwaa. First day me hu no. Kese.
Ada kaya suba. Said ya bucket for the sana ya dianka. Ajagrajah ya de. Kaya suba. Na don't you love you with them.
Team legal wife remove. Team legal wife. Anyeta. Enti abusua. Me say legal wives no omanya bre etuwe. Se su we nyina omu su sei. Na obeto omo ho e be kan sem bia. Man, omo ka so mu twa me first na nim say side check for no mo no ya. I never knew say legal wives na omo ye legal no. Omo no mo no ya. Legal wives ni so emotional. Everything be a very very emotional. Eti where Sallyman what radio so Power FM na near den any ade kwa faso kasa woni Shatta wale edisi ani na all fight for Stone Boy sack no kanigum Odo Bronii akoso se wansem kakra yi Sallyman ni so ewuzia obaso che wadwene da bia meka wo ye team side checker ene Odo Bronii no akere wadwene e wo kobensa hyewo na ewom no wo ye team legal wife remove no akoso Serwaa no akere wadwene e wo kobensa hyewo e ko ba se wo ye koyo nso papa shee na no to agina so akere wadwene e wo kobensa